When managing a business, most leaders focus on direct costs, expenses directly tied to production, such as raw materials, labor, and manufacturing. However, indirect costs, though less visible, play a crucial role in profitability and operational efficiency. Ignoring them can lead to financial leaks, mispriced products, and even unexpected losses. What are indirect costs? Indirect costs are expenses that support business operations but aren't directly tied to a specific product or service. Unlike direct costs, like the wood used in furniture making, indirect costs include utilities, electricity, water, internet, office supplies, paper, printers, software subscriptions, administrative salaries, HR, accounting, management, rent and facility maintenance, depreciation of equipment, marketing and advertising. Because these costs don't fluctuate directly with production volume, they can be harder to track, but they add up quickly. Why indirect costs matter more than you think. Many businesses calculate product prices based solely on direct costs, leading to underpricing. If indirect costs aren't factored in, profit margins shrink. For example, a bakery might account for flour and labor but forget the cost of running ovens, cleaning supplies, and POS system fees, resulting in lost revenue over time. Indirect costs can silently drain resources. A company expanding to a larger office may see rent double, but if leadership doesn't adjust budgets for increased utilities, insurance, and maintenance, cash flow problems arise. Nonprofits and government contractors often deal with indirect cost rates, a percentage of direct costs allocated to overhead. Underestimating these can lead to rejected proposals or funding shortfalls. How to manage indirect costs effectively. Use accounting software to separate indirect from direct costs. Tools like QuickBooks or Xero can automate this process, ensuring nothing slips through. Businesses often use activity-based costing, ABC, to distribute indirect expenses proportionally across departments or products. For example, if marketing supports multiple product lines, its costs should be split accordingly. Renegotiate vendor contracts, e.g., internet, cleaning services. Switch to energy-efficient lighting to cut utility bills. Consider remote work to reduce office space expenses. Employees who understand indirect costs can help reduce waste, like turning off unused equipment or minimizing printing. Indirect costs may not be as visible as direct expenses, but they shape a company's financial stability. By identifying, tracking, and optimizing these hidden expenditures, businesses can improve pricing, boost profits, and avoid unpleasant financial surprises. The bottom line? If you're only watching direct costs, you're only seeing half the picture. Would you like help calculating your business's indirect cost rate? Let us know in the comments.